The H4 SL camera is our easiest to install camera yet, decreasing installation time by up to 50%. The H4 SL camera's modular design allows installers to bring all the mounting options to a job site and snap the camera into the appropriate mount once they know what's required. These versatile cameras are quick to install and alternate easily between surface, in-ceiling, and pendant mounts.
The new H4 SL camera is built on the next generation Avigilon H4 platform. This allows for improved overall camera performance, faster processing power, more efficient bandwidth management, and superior image detail. Available in 1.3 and 2 megapixel camera resolutions, H4 SL cameras provide exceptional image quality in a broad range of indoor and outdoor lighting conditions. With our patented light catcher technology, the H4 SL camera delivers exceptional color images in low light areas. It's also equipped with content-adaptive infrared technology, which provides effective illumination through the field of view. The H4 SL camera's dual exposure wide dynamic range provides detailed images in scenes with simultaneously bright and dark areas. The H4 SL camera is available in bullet and dome formats. Bullet models have interchangeable brackets for maximum flexibility in mounting options. Dome models come with surface, pendant, and in-ceiling mounts that can quickly and easily be alternated. To learn more about the H4 SL camera, as well as our other products, visit avigilon.com.